Welcome to Midnight Cooking Diaries. My name is Baldi. We're here at Beverly Hills. Today we're going to make a very simple soup, and what's wonderful about this episode is that we have a special guest. And I've been waiting for this guest, and it is our first guest, so it has to be a very, very important person. And I think I did good choosing this person. Alright, we're all ready. Ta-da! What's your name?
Gia Baldi.
And who are you?
I'm your daughter.
Yes.
That's who I am.
Yes, you are my daughter. You're my beautiful daughter. Yes. And today, what are we gonna do here today? Get the stool and stand up on it so everyone can see your beautiful face. What are we gonna do today?
Broccoli soup.
So let's show everybody where we got the vegetables. Where did we go today?
We went to the farmer's market.
Farmer's market, yeah. And we picked out these vegetables, right? And let's show everybody where we went, what we did, and we'll come back and make the soup.
Yeah.
This very quick soup. Yes?
Bye. Okay, Daddy, now it's your turn.
It's my turn?
Yeah, your turn.
Well, let's go in there. Take a picture. Take a picture, look. Or a video.
Welcome back.
So we're back. We're gonna start making the soup. What do you think? Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's put some olive oil. That's the first thing we gotta do in our pan. And I'm gonna tell you when to stop, okay? A little bit more. And this is extra virgin olive oil. Okay, that's good. Now we're gonna turn on the pan at a medium range. So can you pass me please the leeks?
This?
Yes, so these are called leeks.
Leeks.
It's like a big onion, but it's very mild in flavor. And we cut into small pieces like this, Gia. And what I'm gonna do is,
Can't really see.
can you see it?
Oh, no, I can't.
Okay, good. And then what I want you to do is put this in the pot. Can you do that for me?
How?
With your hands. That's fine. You gotta work with your hands. Did you tell everyone that we washed our hands before?
Yeah.
Yes, okay, perfect. Oh, do you hear the sizzle? How amazing is that? So now we're gonna cook this down and make it soft. So this is gonna create a texture, and the texture that we want is a little bit softer, and it's gonna become a little bit translucent this onion. And when that happens, we know that we're ready to add the broccoli, okay? But before we do that, we gotta add a little salt. So we'll take a few pinches of salt and put it in there. Perfect, a little more please. Okay, perfect. Now some pepper. Remember how I showed you how to do pepper?
Yeah.
Okay. Amazing. Thank you. Does it smell good?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, give me one of the broccoli heads. So this whole thing is called broccoli heads. Broccoli head. And we're going to cut the florets from it. This little, it looks like a flower, you see?
Yeah, can I have a little piece?
Of course you can. You want this much?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So what we're gonna do is cut off the stems, okay? Because this is kind of hard, and unless you're boiling it, it's not really gonna work. Now, there's a few things we gotta do right now, okay? First, we're gonna take this and put it in hot water, okay?
Can I do it?
Of course you can. Here.
It's getting up. Some of them are getting soft.
That's what we want. What we want is to create a little softness in the broccoli, because it will not cook all the way properly if we put the raw broccoli inside with the onions. Okay, so in the meantime, what we're gonna do, Gia, is you're gonna clean some of the parsley for me.
How?
So you're gonna take the leaves and rip them from the stems.
Okay.
Okay, so now we have to put the cooked broccoli inside the onion. It's ready. Yeah, so this is a hard process. So I'm gonna take it out from the water and then you can put it in the onion, okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Now what we're gonna do is we have to let this cook a little bit with the onion, okay? So we're gonna add the water, okay? Okay. Now this is where we add the parsley. So are you ready to add the parsley that we cut? Okay, let's add it. Perfect. Now we're gonna let it cook. It's gonna take about 5-10 minutes. It's time to blend this thing! Alright, let's blend the soup. Here.
Okay.
Now it's very hot, so you have to be careful,
It
okay?
looks very good though.
Smell it, smell it.
It smells very good.
Okay. So now this is dangerous.
Okay.
So you put your hand here and I hold it too, okay? Whee!
Oh wow.
So we just blended the soup, right?
Yeah.
Are you ready to try it?
Yeah.
Look how bright it is. Are you ready? Is it good? Would you eat a whole bowl of this? Okay, thank God, because you need to eat. You're hungry. Enjoy it.
Okay.
Mmm,
Now
it's a little salty.
come
Come
and
and cook with us again.
We're
We're
outie.
outie. Here we go. Our guest for today's show.
You didn't tell me.
Do I have to? Yeah, that wasn't good. Do I? Were you laughing?
No, I sneezed.
Oh, okay.